गर्मी हो रही है ना, एयर कंडीशन काम नहीं कर रहा, एयर कंडीशन काम नहीं कर रहा। अच्छा, let me tell you the easy way to remember them. You see, first you need to design the product or the service, then you control its production, its development, and assure the quality. That is the quality management. Then you develop the capacity and develop the process. They are not sequentially actually. Location, you need to have the location, and layout design, layout of the manufacturing facility, layout of the warehouse, layout of the office facility. Every facility must have the layout design. Human resource, job design, supply chain management, inventory management, scheduling and maintenance. So these are the operation manager must successfully address the 10 decisions. Successfully address the 10 decisions. Next. देख लिया आज। अच्छा जी, we talked about the service and product design. These all 10 decisions one by one. If you see in service, you see that how good and service should we offer, ठीक है, how comparative the good and service, designing, quality management. आगे करें, next. We already talked about, आगे चलें, talked about ये I want you to read at home, ठीक है। तो these slides आप पढ़ लेगा इसमें याद से, ये तैमूर शेयर कर देगा। अच्छा, everyone must be part of the WhatsApp group. Everyone must be part of the WhatsApp group. Are you? How many of you are not part of the WhatsApp group? Are not part of WhatsApp group? तो क्या किया तुमने? हैं? फिर दोबारा लिखो नंबर। हाँ, नंबर वो लिख देते ना यार, तुम लिख दो नंबर। नंबर लिखो। जीरो 332। बराए मेहरबानी इसको मैसेज कर दो बेटा। अभी असल में ब्लैक बोर्ड जो है वो ऑफ है और नया सिस्टम जो है ना वो आप आई डोंट नो यूज करते कि नहीं करते। अभी तो मैं नहीं कर रहा वैसे। 0332 एवरीवन प्लीज, 0332 251 2858 251 2858। तैमूर तारिक साहब, तैमूर तारिक। अच्छा जी, चल नेक्स्ट मैं एडिट कर दूंगा। नेक्स्ट। अच्छा, आप हैं पार्ट ग्रुप का? आज करूंगी, अभी कर, अभी ये आज करूंगी, कल करूं, अभी मैसेज। नेट नहीं, जिसके पास नेट है वो काइंडली कर ले, मेहरबानी होगी इसकी। आपने कर ली? जी जी मैं दूं। अभी तो कोई चैनल नहीं है, अभी तो बनेगा चैनल। काइंडली सब मैसेज कर दें प्लीज। सारा कंटेंट इसी के थ्रू आ रहा हो आपका। ब्लैक बोर्ड ऑन नहीं है इस वक्त। अच्छा, इसको बेटा लॉक रखना, कोई कन्वर्सेशन ना हो उसमें, वरना लोग लड़ने शुरू हो जाते। बड़ा मसला है. All done? अच्छा जी, सर्विस, we talked about the service, new challenges in OM. क्या challenges क्या हैं? Local to national focus या international focus. Batch shipments, batches में in the mass production आपको produce करना, low bid purchasing, ये पहले था. आगे करो, next करो भाई तैमूर साहब, आगे. हाँ, सही बैक भाई. अब सही है. अच्छा जी, तो आप इसको गौर से देखें. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट स्लाइड. ये पेपर के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है स्लाइड आपके लिए. ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग स्लाइड है, इसमें बहुत सारी लर्निंग है. देखें, पहले क्या था? लोकल फोकस था विद इन अ कंट्री. नाउ द फोकस इज ग्लोबल. Focus is global, and the companies who are competing globally are competent. Not every company can compete globally. याद रखिए. Batch shipments, पहले batch shipments थी, अब just in time होती हैं. We try to reduce the cost. We keep the raw material only as per the requirement. We take the order first. We buy the raw material then only. We do not keep the inventory. Inventory in hand होती थी. At that time, we used to have the big amount of raw material. Now we do not have much. We do not keep the raw material with us. ठीक है? We only keep the required material. So that is called just in time. Whatever the required, you make it available only. You are intact. You are collaborating with your suppliers. You are totally close to your suppliers in the vicinity as well. Silence please. You are close to the supplier. You are the close in vicinity as well, in the proximity. ठीक है? They are within a particular radius of your facility, and they provide you raw material timely. Whenever you require, they provide you. So you have the best procurement process. So they provide you the raw material very quickly. So just in time is applicable there. जी. जी. बैच शिपमेंट होती है कि व्हेन यू प्रोड्यूस इन अ लार्ज नंबर. ठीक है? फॉर एग्जांपल 1000 पीसेस इन अ गो, इसे कहते हैं बैच. बैचेस, मल्टीपल बैचेस में प्रोड्यूस करना. मतलब यू डू नॉट गो फॉर द फ्यू प्रोडक्ट्स, यू गो फॉर द पर्टिकुलर नंबर. दैट इज कॉल्ड बैच. Number could be 100, 1000, 10,000. It depends upon the product. Exactly. If you are producing the marker, the number would be big. If you are producing the milk product, packaged milk, the number could be less. But the number would be fixed. That is called batch. When the number, the count of the manufacturing product is fixed. Low bid purchasing. Prior, we only have the raw material from the supplier, which is giving us a low price. That's it, without any specification challenge. Now we talk about the supply chain partnering. Partnering means you are close to the suppliers who are giving you as per your specification. It is not totally dependent on the price. Price is not the only parameter. Yes, it is one of the parameter, but not price only. ठीक है? You are collaborating because of their competitiveness, because of the specification you are required. You are close to the supplier. So supply chain partnering. Lengthy product development. जी? कौन सा? जी जी. Supply chain partnering. अच्छा जी. Low bid purchasing start कर लें. Low bid purchasing is कि you ask your supplier about the price of the product you require. So they give you the price. कि भाई we are giving you on this price. ठीक है? Quotation. And you select only on the basis of the price, irrespective of the quality, credibility, and the certifications. You do not go for that. You go only for the low price. But over here you see, we talk about the partnering, the long-term relationship. A long-term relationship is possible when the product supplied by the suppliers are consistent, are having of good quality. So they are providing, the suppliers are providing the good quality, and we are partnering with that. And we are having the few suppliers. ये बहुत important है इसमें. We are having the few suppliers, not many. We do not go for the many suppliers. This is not possible with the many suppliers. याद रखिए. This is not possible. Why? Because when you have many suppliers, it's very difficult to manage them. It's very difficult to collaborate with them. But when you have few suppliers, it's not very difficult actually. You are able to manage. In fact, you have the supplier relationship management software which can help you out. But still you keep with a few suppliers. ठीक है, clear है? Is it clear, miss? जी.
इसका मतलब कि जो लो बिट परचेजिंग के अंदर वो जितने की कॉस्ट बताते हैं वो कॉस्ट है उतना प्रोडक्ट खा लेते हैं, चाहे जैसे भी क्वालिटी हो उसकी.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
सप्लाई चेन के अंदर क्वालिटी पे सब चीजें देख के जो आपने पिछले बार क्वालिफाइड
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सही. तो पार्टनरिंग, the concept of partnering is related with the consistent quality, the consistent fulfilling of promise, whether it is the delivery of the product, whether it is the quality of the product, in every way. अच्छा जी, lengthy product development. Previously it used to be a lengthy product development. Now it is a rapid product development. Lengthy product development, rapid product development. What is the difference? Difference is previously there used to have a long process to produce a product, to design a product. ठीक है? Now the companies have only few months to launch a product. The companies have only few months to launch a product. For example, Apple launches their product every year. Likewise, the Toyota, Honda, Mitsubishi and other manufacturing company, vehicle manufacturing company, they launch their product in a year. So they cannot have the lengthy product. They go for the rapid product development. So that requires a best-in-class technology, that require the partnership with the suppliers so that you can get the supplies available timely. Okay? When you do not get the supplies timely, you can never manufacture the product. And how you manage it? You manage it when that you do not produce in bulk. You see the people are in the queue in England. You might have heard at the launch of Samsung, I guess, Apple or Samsung. People were in the queue waiting for their mobile. Apple. So why was it like that? It was because they were not producing in bulk. They were not producing in bulk. And why? Because they do not know the exact count of the demand. They do not know. Because of the difficult forecasting, they produce at the minimum point. Okay? And they go with the best suppliers only. And basically the processes are difficult to manage. So they go for the minimum production. So you see the rapid product development and the minimum production, it is right now the market right now. Standard products versus mass customization. Previously there used to be a standard product. Right now there is a concept of mass customization in which you can deliver the product or make the product as per the requirement of the customer. Okay? For example, you see what Zara Man does. They have the mass manufacturing at China of the product which is commonly used and which is a classic kind of thing, like t-shirt. Okay? And the fashion items which are being changed even every month, they are being produced in Europe. In Europe. Why? Because so that they can make the product available timely. So this is the way of customization. This is the way of customization with the cost effectiveness. So job specialization and empowered employees teams. Job specialization, previously there used to be a job specialization. The particular employee is best for that particular job, but now it is the empowered employee who can work with the latitude, make good decisions, give suggestions, and really contribute to the value to the customer. So this is the concept in which we talked about the empowered employee. You see, ideas come from the low level employee. Like Kaizen. Kaizen is the small improvement. It is the term Japanese use for the small improvement. Okay? And the small improvement is expected everyone in the company, whether you are peon or CEO of the company. They do not differentiate. They say you have to come up with the idea. So you see empowered employees. So it is one of the way you empower employees. There are many other ways. For example, you hire the best people, competent people, and you engage them. You engage them, and they are committed to your company. Okay? You make a friendly policy to them. Your company culture is very congenial, very friendly. So employees like to contribute. So this is very important in today's company. So you see innovation, when there is no innovation, there is no growth. Very important point. When there is no innovation, there is no growth. And innovation can only come with the freedom of expression. So in any company of yours, whether you own the company or you work for the company, if they listen to your suggestion, contribution, then only company can grow. Otherwise, they don't have the good future. ठीक है, आगे ये हमने बात की थी सर्विस की कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है, इंटेंजिबल है. ठीक है, दिस इज ऑल्सो इंपॉर्टेंट कि व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द सर्विस एंड द प्रोडक्ट. तो देयर आर मेनी डिफरेंसेस. वन ऑफ देम आर आप यू मे रीड एट योर होम. नेक्स्ट. अच्छा, देयर इज अ ट्रांजिशन फ्रॉम द कॉस्ट फोकस टू क्वालिटी फोकस एंड कस्टमाइजेशन एंड ग्लोबलाइजेशन. So when would we take a break? 4:30. 4:15. 4. नहीं, वीडियो की खैर है. 4 4:15 ले लें. 4:15 ले लेते. ठीक. अच्छा, you see how companies grow. So up till starting from the industrial era, that is the 18th century to the 20th century, mass production was there. That was cost focus. ठीक है, how we can reduce the cost. Then come the quality. Japanese started with the quality. Lean का concept लाया वो. ठीक है, the concept of lean is when you reduce all the waste, when there is a little waste or no waste, basically no waste concept. So lean concept started by the Japanese in the 1980s up till the last century. Then come the customization focus, at how you can customize the product as per the need of the customer, how you can launch the different models at different times. ठीक है, how you can improve your product, customization. Then come the globalization focus. Globalization focus is that the company is developing the value chain. For example, Boeing 747 is manufactured by the American company, but the parts are being supplied by the European companies, by the Asian companies, by the Australian companies. The technology is shared by them. ठीक है. So without globalization focus, the companies cannot compete with each other. Why? Because one company, Boeing, can never compete with the Airbus when they are not focusing globally, when they do not have the global supply chain. The global supply chain is not a wish. Instead, it is the necessity. If you are not having the global suppliers, then you will be lacking in the competition. You cannot compete if you do not have the global suppliers. So you see globalization focus. in the last era, in the last 2 decades, you see there is a globalization focus. Next, up till now, any questions so far? Anything which is unclear? So you may read. We already discussed in the last class, services and goods difference. Anyone would like to contribute? What is the basic difference between goods and service? जी सही, बिल्कुल सही. What is tangible? हाँ, जिसको आप टच कर सकें and you can feel it. Very good. और हाँ, goods can be stored and long term, for the long term. Exactly, जी. Very good. But it cannot be specific. There are times when the goods have the service as well. ठीक है, तो दोनों चीजें जी. ठीक है. अच्छा, ये दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट. इट्स अ टॉपिक ऑफ डिस्कशन एक्चुअली. अब ये कह रहे हैं कि द सर्विस कैन बी डिलीवर्ड एट वेर एवर यू वांट, और बल्कि ये कह रहे हैं गुड्स कैन बी डिलीवर्ड, ऐसे कह रहे हैं, सर्विस कैन बी डिलीवर्ड. बिल्कुल सही. अच्छा, सर्विस जो है वो भी डिलीवर हो सकती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ट्रेनिंग है. अब आप चाहते हैं कि भूरबंद में आके ट्रेनर जो है वो ट्रेन कर दे. द ट्रेनर में कम टू द भूरबंद एंड दे कैन ट्रेन यू. यस, द ट्रेनर कैन कम. ठीक है. बट व्हेन द क्लास इज गोइंग ऑन, द क्लास कैन नॉट बी एट एनी अदर प्लेस. ठीक है. सेम क्लास, I might be teaching the operation management somewhere else or in another slot, but the same class cannot be. This is a challenge. Or anything else you would like to say? Nothing. ठीक है जी. जी. Inventory concept is very possible for the goods only. You see, you are not given service when you require. For example, you go to the PIA and the PIA says, no, we do not have any seat. ठीक है. They cannot deliver you the service. Why? Because they cannot store it. There is no inventory of that. ठीक है. So this is the challenge there. Next. अच्छा, let's move ahead, and now we are going to discuss about the numerical and the calculation about the productivity. Break के बाद. अच्छा, let me tell you theoretically what is productivity. Productivity, what do you think productivity क्या है? What is productivity? To
increase the outcome.
To increase
something to evaluate.
outcome को कह लें कि to increase the output. Outcome से out. ठीक है. और मैक्सिमम आउटपुट होना. ठीक है. यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ इनपुट्स. ठीक. वेरी गुड. तो व्हाई आर वी इंटरेस्टेड इन प्रोडक्टिविटी? व्हाट इज द बेनिफिट ऑफ इंप्रूविंग द प्रोडक्टिविटी? प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी ऑफ द कंपनी. और इन्होंने कहा कि एक कंट्री की अगर प्रोडक्टिविटी अच्छी है तो उसका जीडीपी अच्छा होगा. वेरी गुड, बिल्कुल सही. कस्टमर सेटिस्फेक्शन भी बेहतर होगी जी. टर्नओवर भी अच्छा होगा. वेरी गुड. ठीक है. वेरी गुड. तो हम देखते हैं प्रोडक्टिविटी इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट द प्रोवाइडिंग द सर्विस और मेकिंग अ गुड एफिशिएंटली. जब एफिशिएंटली की बात करते हैं तो हम कहते हैं जी कि देयर मस्ट नॉट बी आइडल लेबर, देयर मस्ट नॉट बी आइडल मशीन. ठीक है. देयर मस्ट नॉट बी एक्सेसिव थिंग्स. You want to improve the productivity all the time. ठीक है. This is the ongoing task. अब there are multiple factors which can improve the productivity. This is a very important point. There are multiple factors which can improve the productivity. One of the factor is labor. One of the factor is, other is technology. द थर्ड वन इज मैनेजमेंट और एनर्जी और capital. Very good. Capital. So these are few factors of production. These are called the factors of production. You might have heard these terms in the economic class. ऐसा हुआ? Economics में you might have heard factor का word. Factor is a technical term. इसको variables भी कह सकते हैं. ठीक है? और थ्रू दीज रिसोर्सेज कह सकते हैं इसको. अगर आप नॉन टेक्निकल टर्म बात करें तो वी कैन कॉल इट रिसोर्सेज. तो डिफरेंट रिसोर्सेज होते हैं. अच्छा जी, अब लेट्स सी द स्टैंडर्ड डेफिनेशन. प्रोडक्टिविटी इज द रेशियो. इट इज द रेशियो. सो इट इज द रेशियो. इट इज नॉट इन परसेंट. रिमेंबर, इट इज नॉट इन परसेंट. इट इज इन रेशियो. So when we talk about the ratio, the point comes in our mind. Points में आएगी. Productivity is the ratio of outputs divided by the inputs. Output, whatever output you are producing, goods or service में, and whatever resources you are using, whatever factors you are using, labor, capital, technology, management, energy, etc. The objective, what is the objective? To improve productivity. So why do we want to know the productivity? So that we can improve it. So that we can, very important. Otherwise there is no need for that. हम मालूम करके बैठे हुए. हम क्या बात करते हैं? We say कि भाई GDP of the last year was this and this year is that. So why do we quote that? So that we tell कि now we are better. ठीक है? इसी तरह we tell about the profitability. कि हमारी प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी इट वॉज दैट नंबर दैट मेनी डॉलर्स एंड दिस ईयर दैट मेनी डॉलर्स. सो द प्रोडक्टिविटी मेक इट पॉसिबल. व्हेन यू हैव अ बेटर प्रोडक्टिविटी यू हैव बेटर प्रॉफिट. व्हाई? बिकॉज यू आर यूटिलाइजिंग योर रिसोर्सेज एट योर बेस्ट. सिंपल. यू आर यूटिलाइजिंग योर रिसोर्सेज एट योर बेस्ट. सो इंप्रूविंग प्रोडक्टिविटी मीन्स इंप्रूविंग एफिशिएंसी. दैट इज the usage of input. When you are using the inputs at your best, it means your efficiency is better. You are efficient. Production is a measure of output only and not a measure of efficiency. So when we talk about the production, so we talk about only output. But when we talk about the efficiency, we talked about the productivity. Next. हो गए? पीछे? अभी तक कोई क्वेश्चन आपका? कोई सवाल करना चाहें? एनी क्वेश्चन यू वुड लाइक टू आस्क? क्या हुआ? कोई बात पूछना चाहें? पूछ सकते हैं. अच्छा, दो स्टूडेंट्स हु आर न्यू टू द क्लास, उनका कोई क्वेश्चन है? क्योंकि आपको तो सेकेंड टाइम आई गेस. मैनी ऑफ यू हैव ऑलरेडी नोन दिस कॉन्सेप्ट्स. आपकी फर्स्ट क्लास है मिस? आपकी लास्ट जो है आपकी फर्स्ट है? सेकंड है? आपकी फर्स्ट है? तो मिस कोई ऐसी बात जो समझ ना आई आपको? नहीं कोई समझते. अच्छा, आपने करना ये जरूरी काम है कि यू हैव टू ईदर परचेज अ बुक और डाउनलोड अ बुक एंड रीड चैप्टर नंबर 1 thoroughly. ठीक है? चैप्टर 1 is very important for your 10 marks quiz. Your 10 marks quiz are planned and I will tomorrow inshallah I will make a quiz for you. So that is not decided. Maybe I will be giving you in the hard copy in the class. अच्छा, ऑनलाइन का I will try. You know, I will have to use more resources. मेरी प्रोडक्टिविटी कम हो जाएगी when I will give you hard copy. So in online, my productivity is much better. Exactly. हाँ बिल्कुल, कागज भी जाएगा. मक्खन भी रहा. ठीक है जी, लेट्स टेक अ ब्रेक. थैंक यू.